From the moment you see it installed, the Uncle Brown ST12 Health Focus Smart Toilet changes everything about how a bathroom feels. What used to be a simple, functional space now looks like something out of a modern spa retreat. Clean lines, subtle curves, the technology that quietly blends into luxury. You'll notice it right away in the transformation. The before bathroom feels ordinary, but once the Uncle Brown ST12 is in place, the room glows with a new sense of refinement and calm. The polished white finish reflects the light, the soft contours complement the decor, and it instantly becomes the centerpiece of the space. What makes it even better is how simple it is to bring that transformation to life. When you open the box, everything you truly need is right there, neatly arranged components. The seat, the base, the remote, mounting parts, and the quick connect pieces all clearly labeled. There's even a sleek, easy-to-use instruction manual that makes every step crystal clear. The process itself is refreshingly straightforward. Just remove the original toilet, install the new one, connect and secure. That's it. In minutes, the transformation is done. Once it's installed, the experience feels like stepping into a world designed around you. The lid lifts automatically as you approach, and soft ambient lighting welcomes you. It's both futuristic and soothing. Every detail of the personalized comfort design can be felt immediately. The temperature-controlled seat adjusts gently to your preference. The bidet spray angle and pressure adapt to your needs, and the water itself feels perfectly balanced for comfort and cleanliness. It's a small ritual that makes an everyday routine feel restorative. The heated seat adds another layer of luxury, keeping you warm even on chilly mornings. While the ADA chair height design ensures it's accessible and comfortable for everyone. But Uncle Brown didn't stop at comfort. It redefined hygiene. With UVC clean water tech, every drop of water used is purified before it even touches your skin, helping eliminate germs and ensuring a safer, healthier wash. Then there's HealthGuard Foam Shield, one of the most impressive features to see in action. A fine layer of foam gently covers the water's surface, preventing splashes, blocking odors, and minimizing the spread of bacteria. It's subtle, yet it completely changes how fresh the environment stays. Deep inside, Plasma Clean Tech is constantly at work, using advanced sterilization to keep the bowl interior clean and odor-free, so it looks freshly maintained even hours later. Together, these technologies go far beyond what any regular smart toilet offers. They make hygiene effortless. Control is simple, elegant, and completely touch-free. The wireless remote control lets you customize every function without ever reaching for a handle. From water temperature and bidet mode to the seat warmth and even the self-cleaning settings. The automatic lid opening, closing, and flushing means the entire process stays hands-free, promoting both convenience and sanitation. Every part of this design is about making your day smoother. You'll see how easily it integrates into your routine. The gentle open and close, the quiet flush, the seamless reset for your next use. As the day turns into night, the built-in night light adds a soft, ambient glow that guides you without harsh brightness. The digital display on the side panel provides clear feedback, showing temperature and mode settings with a refined look that feels advanced yet welcoming. It's one of those small details that makes the whole experience feel complete. Smart technology designed with a human touch.